Good morning, class. Let us discuss some of the general knowledge that I share with one another. You can also share the same in your clarification hours. Knowledge, you know, it plays a very important key role as because today we have got mobile phones, laptops, various type of different, every day in and day out, the systems gets updated or the latest gadgets are available in the market. What is the difference between those latest gadgets and the one which gets outdated? It is just they are getting updated with the time, and at times you may even come across, sometimes in your mobile phone, maybe you'll get at times is what you call software update. You need to update the software so that the mobile functions in a better way, in a smooth way. Likewise, as I gave you the example of mobile, laptop, gadgets and all, we human being, we are also a kind of a machine. Now we need to update ourselves. If we do not update ourselves with the time, then we will become outdated. And how to update ourselves? Through knowledge. That is the only way. The more knowledge you gather, the more knowledge you acquire, or the more knowledge a human being possesses, the more advanced he or she is. And person those who lacks knowledge, you see, gradually, slowly, it happens that they are out of, they're considered as like their presence are just considered to be a kind of a negligible. So let us discuss some of the general knowledge that is there in your book. The first chapter, which deals with blooming days, which means related to flowers. Look into your book, page number 4. Country which is known as the land of tulips, and when this flower blooms in the springtime, the countryside turns into a colorful landscape. And even the capital of the country is mentioned, that is Amsterdam. It's very easy. You just, even if you're not that much used to with the nature, some of you may not be, you know, so much used to about gardening, or you may not have proper knowledge about the various types of flower. But if you could find out which country's capital is Amsterdam, you can get the answer from the options which is mentioned below. The next question, that is, the tiny yellow fragrant flowers of the golden beetle are the national flower of this country. By the way, what is the national flower of our country? I'll give you this question in your TLM. Do share the answer with me. The country is home to kangaroos, emus, and koalas. Which country is that? Kangaroos. That's a good hint. You look at the option: France, Argentina, Bhutan, Australia. I believe it's Australia, right? Number 3. The national flower of this country is the blue poppy, a Himalayan wildflower, and this country is known as the land of the thunder dragon. Bhutan. I read somewhere. Next, this African country is known for its national parks. African country, that means it lies in Africa, and game management areas. Its capital is Lusaka. The country's national flower is the pink bougainvillea. Get the answer? Share it during your clarification hours, and something out of the text, just for your knowledge. There is a country with no army. That is, and you can say that that country is considered to be as the most peaceful country in the world. Share me your opinion. The country with no army and considered to be the most peaceful country in the world. All right. There are some three more questions at the end of this page. I'll give these three questions as your home assignment. Okay. Do share the answers and the various type of general knowledge that each one of you possess. I'll ask at least 10 general knowledge from each one of you to share with me during your assignment submission are. Update yourself. All right, this is the only way to survive. Otherwise, if you don't update, you will be outdated. That's all for today with regard to your general knowledge. Bloomingdale's. Next, we shall see in the next class. God bless you all. Study well.